Hey guys, so urgent and time sensitive airdrop update. I'm talking about the layer 3 airdrop snapshot number 2 coming July 22nd. That's why my recommendation is, if you want to join the airdrop and get as big allocation as you can, I would recommend you to mint as many cubes as you can and do a volume as big as you can. And you can see on their website you can generate a bigger volume by doing trading and bridging through the layer 3 website. I am personally farming this airdrop as well. This is one of the few airdrops that I'm still farming, and that's why check it out. Don't fade the layer 3. All the links are in my description as well, and you can see on their website they have a dedicated bridging and trading platform as well. They are basically using the Jumper, the LeFi platform integrated in their website. So this means we are still few weeks away from this upcoming snapshot number 2. So if you didn't qualify for snapshot number 1 that happened a few months ago, you could qualify for this one, and you had plenty of time to basically get your volume up, get your cubes up. You can mint at least 400 to 500 cubes in these few weeks, maybe even more. And another reason why I am bullish on layer 3 is because you are qualifying for multiple airdrops by doing the quests that they are providing, because they are integrating many other projects like layer 0, ZK Sync, Scroll, Base, Linea, many more, basically tokenless chains, tokenless projects. And this is the main reason why I would recommend you to use this platform, not just for farming, but engaging in other projects and exploring other chains that are legit chains, not just cash grabs. And of course you will have to spend a few dollars to do these transactions to mint cubes on layer 3, but there is not a single airdrop that is worth farming that doesn't require you to spend a lot of money or some money. But yeah, my recommendation is for you, if you have funds, to do some bridging and trading so you get your volume up, because most of the VCs are not farming the airdrops, but they are doing these volume based, basically that requires you big funds to get a decent airdrop. And that's what most of these projects are doing. They are basically making that the VCs, the investors, are getting their bags, their the big allocations, big airdrop allocations. That's why I recommend, if you have a funds that you can deploy, you have big money, use the volume, use the bridging, use the trading, so you get at least as big volume as you can. But if you cannot afford it, you should mint as many cubes as you possibly can. That's what I'm doing personally. And if you can get referrals, you can get referrals as well. So yeah, that's basically an update I wanted to share. If you want to get more crypto, airdrop and NFT alpha, you can follow my Patreon, only $5 a month. If you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching. Press the thumbs up, subscribe, and see you soon.